Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AviCAD tutorial how to fill with color. As example, you can draw rectangle, and if you want to fill this rectangle with color, we can use the hatch tools, type hatch, press enter, will be show for the hatch and gradient dialog box. Now you can go to patterns and you can click on the solid option. If you didn't find in this drop down menu, you can go to the patterns image and then you can click other predefined, click solid. The next click OK to change. And then for color, like I will set into red color. Click at pick internal points and you can click inside the rectangles and press enter. Click OK to apply. So to be fill the rectangles with red color. Okay, that's it for basic AviCAD tutorial how to fill with color.